Iqembu le-Democratic Alliance eGauteng iphakamise isiphakamiso sokugxeka usomlomo wesishayamthetho sesifundazwe saseGauteng uMorokane Motsepe ngezinsolo zokusetshenziswa budedengu kwezimali zomphakathi ngesikhathi sohambo luye eVenezuela ngoLwezi ka-2025. Kanti umholi we-DA eGauteng uSolly Msimanga uthi lolu hambo libiza imali elinganiselwa ku-5.9 million wamarandi, imali akholelwa ukuthi bekufanele isetshenziselwe ukuthuthukisa ukuhlinzekwa kwezidingo ezibalulekile emphakathini. Ekhuluma esithangamini nabezindaba esishayamthetho sesifundazwe saseGauteng ekuqaleni kwanamhlanje, uMsimanga uthi lolu hambo belingahambisani nomsebenzi negunya lesishayamthetho, ubese ephinde enxusa ukuba kuthathwe izinyathelo eziphuthumayo kulabo abathintekayo.
Ishaya amakhala iDemocratic Alliance eGauteng ngohambo lukasomlomo wesishayamthetho sesifundazwe uMorokane Motsepe nabanye abayishumi nambili njengoba ithi lwabe lungafanele, kanti-ke kwaleyo mali ikholelwa ukuthi engasebenza okunye kunalolu hambo. Umholi we-DA eGauteng uyenaba.
We are here to inform members of the public and to inform the legislature that we are going to be tabling a motion of censure where we are asking questions about a trip that has been undertaken last year in November by the Speaker and 12 other officials and members of the legislature, where 5.9 million rand has been used on a job that people went over to Venezuela. And we're asking questions, what was the benefit? How do you spend 5.9 million rand while there are NGOs who are knocking on the doors of the legislature on a daily basis, asking where is the grant to then take care of the most vulnerable of our communities? You have a situation where people pocketed 125,000 rand each just for the period that they've spent in Venezuela.
Usotsepe leli qembu kusukela lesifundazwe uthi kokushaqisa kakhulu ukuthi lolu hambo lwafaka nabashayi bomthetho okumenza edumale ukuthi balithatha kanjani lo hambo umthetho ubuphethwe yibo ngezandla.
There was the chair of chairs who is basically a presiding officer, the chief whip and two other people that are presiding officers. The function of presiding officers is to chair meetings. You chair meetings of people that make laws. It's got nothing to do with tourism, nothing to do with economic development. If anybody had a need to go on this trip, if there was a need, it should have been people that were involved in trade, economic development, tourism. We've got the Gauteng Tourism Agency. They could have been there, they weren't. We've got the Department of Economic Development and the relevant MEC for Economic Development, perhaps members of that committee. They were not there. Why did it happen at all? That's a good question. I think it's behind your question. Why do presiding officers, why do people that chair meetings of the legislature, meetings of lawmakers, go on such a trip?
I-DA ithi ifuna izincazelo ezicacile ngenhloso yokuhambela kwalabo abaholi phezu kweyinkinga ezingaka ezikhungethe isifundazwe.